Hello, this is Dr. Sudharason. In the video, let's see about our Indian cultural practices which may have a positive or a negative impact with respect to urinary tract infection. Now, எங்களுக்கு காமனா கேக்குற questions என்ன அப்படின்னா, சார் எனக்கு வெஸ்டர்ன் டாய்லெட் யூஸ் பண்ணா urinary tract infection வருமா, இல்ல இந்தியன் டாய்லெட் பெட்டரா, or usage of public toilets. Public toilets வந்து whether does it increase the risk of your urinary tract infection. Now, இதுல facts என்ன சொல்லுது அப்படிங்கறத let us look into it. Now, first with respect to Indian kind of restroom. When I say Indian kind of restroom, the one where you sit down and squat for yourself, evacuating the urine and your motion. Now, idhula vande there is absolutely no contact and no touch. Now, this is of predominant importance because eppadi urinary tract infection varudhu abdina, when you sit down in your western commode, if it is not clean, your personal parts are getting exposed to multiple organisms there. That's the biggest negative factor. Now, in the same way, Indian commode use பண்றவங்க, the problem is shown away from Indian toilets, especially because of elderly patients. உங்க வீட்டில் இருக்கிற வயசானவங்க, for example parents or grandparents, அவங்களுக்குல knee problem இருக்கு அப்படின்றதுனால now almost every house has western commodes only. It is very rare and you have to specifically tell a builder to have an Indian toilet constructed. அதுக்காக யூஸே பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லல. இப்போ வெஸ்டர்ன் டாய்லெட் இருக்கும்போது அதை எப்படி சேஃபா யூஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கறத நான் பார்க்கலாம். Now, always make sure that the toilet is clean, which everybody, all of us do. Adikaprom, make sure that you flush the toilet both before and after use, and there is no need to apply any kind of special sanitizers or அந்த மாதிரி எதுவுமே டாய்லெட் நீ யூஸ் பண்ணணும் அவசியம் இல்லை. It has to be clean. Regular kind of sanitization is more than enough. Now, apart from this, wet toilets has to be avoided. If the toilet is like kind of not dry and always wet, then it has a breeding ground of infections. நம்ம இருந்ததுன்னா make sure that you use soaking toilet tissues, clean them yourself before you use, because you are going to use it for your own personal benefit, and hand wash பண்ணிட்டு both before and after usage of toilet. Hand wash வந்து mandatory. இது பண்ணிக்கோ. We have inquiries regarding position for passing urine, especially for males and children. Now, males are best suited for passing urine in a standing position, but at the same time make sure you lift up the toilet lid so that it does not soil the seating concerns, and other base பண்ணி தான் அடுத்து வர்றவங்க யூஸ் பண்றதுக்கு நம்ம கொஞ்சம் நீட்டா வச்சுட்டு போக முடியும். This is especially relevant in toilets which are present in the airports and railway stations, where once you go, you always, even if you don't catch up the infection, but the smell, visual picture keeps on lingering in your mind for a long time. And ultimately, most patients, it's difficult for us to convince them that they don't have any urinary tract infection, because andalukku it becomes a traumatic kind of an experience. Idikaprom, medicated soaps. Do you have to use any kind of medicated soaps to avoid a urinary tract infection? Appilla eduvume thevilla. Your regular bathing soap is more than enough. Just wash your personal parts properly with hand shower or whatever water is available, and make sure, especially people who are prone for having recurrent urinary tract infections, have to use soap both before and after passage of urine. இதை தவிர rest of your normal habits, day-to-day habits எல்லாமே carry forward பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Like drinking water adequately, passing urine frequently, spending enough time in the restroom is of paramount importance. Thank you.